How to make Ddakji, the Korean traditional flipping card game. The harder the paper, the easier it is to play. So you need some origami paper, or any paper. As long as it's a square, it's fine. We're going to fold it into thirds. So you don't have to actually measure it, you can just use your eye. And then we want to fold the left corner up and the top right corner down. You want to do it on both papers. Now you have two identical pieces of paper. You want to put one on top of the other. And then you want to fold two of the points into the middle. So here I folded the orange into the middle. So we're trying to make it into a square. So now you fold the two blue points into the middle, but you tuck it under the orange. If you tuck it under, it holds it in place. So you don't need any glue or sellotape. So have a look here, and you'll make a Ddakji. So here I have one folded in, and then you slip the other one in too, and now you have two. Now you can play a flipping game. I've never done this before, and it's probably really hard. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!